Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me. So today's recipe is extremely close to my heart because I'm going to show you how I make Fante-Fante. For those of you who don't know what Fante-Fante is, it is cooking fresh seafood in tomato sauce with palm oil and is simmered down into one delicious dish. This dish traces its root to the Fante people of Ghana. I was born and raised in Elmina, Ghana, and this dish means a lot to me. I have to eat it at least once a week. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In my bowl, I have king prawns, red snapper, and mackerel. The king prawns have been deshelled and also deveined. I kept the head on for extra flavor, but this is entirely optional. I have some chopped onions, crayfish powder, garlic, Scotch bonnet, feel free to add more or less, ginger, shallots. I have Petitte, also known as Kpakoshito, red onions, tinned tomato, and palm oil. As always, all the ingredients and measurement will be listed in the description box below. In my blender, I am now going to blend the tinned tomato, Scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger, and shallot until smooth. I will set this aside for later use. Now time to start making the stew. So to my pan, I'm just adding enough palm oil. I'm going to allow the palm oil to melt. Next, I will add my onions and I'll fry until fragrant. I'm now going to add the crayfish powder to the palm oil and onions, and I'll simmer for 2 minutes on low to medium heat. The reason why I add crayfish powder to this recipe is because it just adds another level of flavor to this dish. I am now going to add the blended mixture and I'm going to mix well. Next, I will rinse the blender with a little bit of water and I'll add this to the sauce. I am now going to add all my seasonings. Feel free to use your preferred seasonings of choice. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm just mixing everything together. Next, I will allow the stew to simmer on low to medium heat for 5 minutes. And this is after 5 minutes of simmering. My goodness, this stew smells amazing. It smells so good. Next, I'm going to add all my seafood. So in goes my mackerel, my red snapper, and the prawns. And you can certainly use any type of seafood for this recipe. After adding all the seafood, I am just stirring gently, and next I'm going to cover and allow this to simmer on low to medium heat for 10 minutes. And 10 minutes later, just look at this beauty. It smells incredible. I'm just giving the stew just a gentle stir. As you're cooking with fresh fish, you don't want to over stir. This can break all your fish. Don't forget to taste and adjust your seasonings according to your taste. Optionally, I am garnishing this with my red onions and Petitte bell, also known as Kpakoshito, for extra texture and spice. I will continue simmering on low to medium heat for 2 minutes and the Fante-Fante should be ready. And the Fante-Fante is ready. It looks so good and it smells incredible. Guys, this dish took me less than 30 minutes to make. This dish is extremely nostalgic for me. Every time I make it, I have happy memories of my grandma flooding back. She's the main reason why I enjoy what I do in the kitchen, and her and I used to enjoy this dish with etew, which is what traditionally Fante-Fante is eaten with. As you can see, I have mine on the fire. It's nearly done and I cannot wait to tuck in. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel. We are trying to grow the Bee's Kitchen family, and turn on your bell notification icon, which will notify you every time I post a new video. I would also love to see your creations on my Instagram page at b_kitchen_1. Enjoy your Fante-Fante and I'll see you next time. Bye.